Welcome back to another OTD unboxing. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels Mainline L case. This case was sent over by Jcar Diecast. Thank you, Jcar Diecast, for sponsoring this video and sending this case over. This is the international case, as designated by the C4982. And let's pop it open, right? Let's pop it open and see what we have. So this is the L case. Lots of good stuff. One of the cars I'm most excited for is the TEKU Deora II. And, of course, the possibility of having a super treasure hunt. One of these days, I will unbox a super treasure hunt. I swear. Swear. All right. All right. Here we go. Can we see that? All right. It feels like I just got done unboxing the K case. So here we go. All right. First three cars out of the case. We have the Rink Racer. And that was in the K case. The Batman animated series. Also a K case carryover. Next we have the Trouble Decker. So this is new to the case. In the L case here, a blue and orange, almost reminiscent of the Gulf livery, right? The colors in the Gulf livery. This one is not such. It is the Malaysian Penang. Hope I'm saying that correctly. Georgetown Trouble Decker bus there. So recolor of that one. New to the case. Next three cars out of the case. We have the Pterodactyl in blue now. A Nissan Skyline Liberty Walk 2000 GTR. That was in the K case as well. So the thing I did notice, there are a lot of K case carryovers. So there isn't a lot of new cars in the L case per se. But the K case was loaded. So it's good to see that these K case cars are coming back in L. 24/7 Friendship Day. That is from the K case as well. All right, this one's new to the case. The 15 Jaguar F-Type Project 7 in like a burgundy. Look at that. Almost not quite red, not quite purple. Definitely burgundy. So that is the third colorway of that car for the year. Ooh, here's a new model. New model alert. Pagani Utopia. Brand new 2024 new model in the L case. Designed by Ron Wong, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, look at that. Wow. It's got like a metal flake. I'm all over the place here. It's got like a metal flake, like a light gray almost. Great new model there. Wow. So Pagani's, there's been some good Paganis lately. The Zonda, now the Utopia, the RLC Huayra R. So, all right, we got another Bumblebee carried over from the KK. So this one's been extremely popular. I think I saw that it's been selling for double digits online already. Probably because it's new, but once these cases start appearing more so at retail, it'll simmer down a little bit. But Bumblebee, so great to have another Bumblebee in this case. I think I only got one in the K case, if I'm not mistaken. All right. Next we have the Track Dwagon, another new model carryover from the K case. This one's brand new to the case. It is the 70 Dodge Charger RT in a metal flake light pink. Hot Wheels R cars. And then the 20 Toyota Tacoma in a light blue rigid deco. So this one's new to the case. Not to be confused with the, what was it, the 21 that was in the Elite 64? No, it was 2007 Toyota Tacoma. So, all right. Ooh, here we go. New model alert. I got the 67 Lotus Type 49. This one, if I remember correctly from Hot Wheels Nationals, so the first run of these are going to have a white driver, and then they will go to gray, I believe. So I think the first, if I understood Brendan Vitesky correctly, the first run of these, a limited run, will have a white driver in it. So good to have that. I'll be looking for the gray driver. All right, we have the Surf Duty in a Beach Patrol livery. This is new to the case, but it is a recolor for the year. And then returning from K-Case is the 90 Acura NXR. And, ooh, I see a Firebird here. It is not the Super, unfortunately, but it is still one nice looking car. Look at that. It's like a matte black and gold and red. This is a great livery for this car. Very cool. Muscle Mania 77 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. It's not the Super, but hopefully I'm holding out hope that we will get a Super one of these days in one of these cases. All right, HW Ride-Ons, Boom Car, and then the Chrysler Pacifica and the HW Vans series. This was in the K case. So like I said earlier, a lot of K case holdovers, but there are some new ones. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento is not one of them. It is from the K case. Just like the 96 Porsche Carrera from the HW The 90s series. The Magnus Walker Deco Urban Outlaw. We have the 73 Jeep J10. Another K case holdover. Haha, but I see what I've been looking for. All right, we'll get the, there we go, Mustang Funny Car, HW Art Cars. And, woohoo! Finally, the Deora II, one of my favorite castings, in the mainline in that abandoned Acceleracers deco, the TEKU deco. And if you're an NFT fan, let me just grab something really quickly. You'll know that it was an NFT car as well. So got one of those to go with that. That is quite the pair. Clearly the difference, there's quite the difference in the detail, but hey, this one was quite expensive, several $100s, and this one is going to be $1. So big fans, littler fans, doesn't matter of your budget, you get a TEKU Deora II finally. All right, so excited to have one of those. Hopefully we get another in this case. All right, returning from the K case as well as the 84 Mustang SVO. Yeah, tons of K. Wow. Pontiac Aztec Custom in dark red. Another Pagani Utopia. So good to have two new models of this in the case. That is just one sick looking grill. Holy cow. All right. And then the Drag Tour, of course, returns with the non-opening lift-up feature, but still great car. Great to see it return. Old favorite. All right. Next three cars out of the case. I see the Land Rover Series S2. And we got the regular treasure hunt. So we've been doing well on the regular treasure hunts. This is the Car de Asada. That's been confused with carne asada. It is the Car de Asada in a blue corn tortilla shell and some red chile rojo sauce there. So regular treasure hunt. Always good to have one of those. The Lane Lowrider in a satin gold here. All right, new to the L case is the 94 Audi Avant RS2 in this metal flake teal. Yeah, great color for this one. Great color for this 90s casting or 90s era car. Newer casting. The Rally Speciale in red here. And the Groommobile. I think there's another Minions movie coming out soon. But the Groommobile is just a wonky casting, but glad they made it. All right. Next three cars. These are the last three out of the top half of the case. We have the 24/7 HW Celebration Racers. The Batman animated series Batmobile. and another lane lowrider. Let's pop open the second half of the case. All right. What do we have? What do we have? All right, let's get the top three. Are we going to be able to pull them out successfully? We are. All right. All right. The 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, right? The Jesko. New to the case, old case, is the 22 Ford Maverick Custom. So this one is done in essence of the Ford Lightning, right? We have the Ford Lightning in this kind of lowered race truck. So this lowered race truck kind of stance, and it's. I wonder if these are drag trucks. 'Cause look at the back, the rear spoiler on there. Looks very drag strip. Yeah. All right. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Got to get that in the lighting that we have together. All right. Kowloon Hypervan. Very cool. I'm pretty sure I'll be doing an article on this one soon because that is one cool little bus. All right. Next three out of the case. We have the 92 Ford Mustang. The Shelby Cobra 427 SC from the HW Rolling Metal series, another K-Case car. And another one of the new model for this case, the 22 Ford Maverick Custom. Next three out of the case. The 90 Acura NSX. The would-be treasure hunt from the K-Case. The Mazda 787B. I only got one of these in my K-Case, so it's nice to have another one of these. Definitely a good play on the infamous Renown deco. And the fidget spinner Flippin' Fast. Flip that over, flip it around. It's a fidget spinner / Hot Wheel. Flippin' Fast. All right. Oh, good to see another Nissan 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. This one's going to be extremely popular on the pegs. Another Batmobile. The third one of these for the case. Batman, the animated series, Batmobile. You must have at least three Batmobiles for case, right? All right. Ooh, a recolor on the Volkswagen ID Buzz. So this car came out last year in the M case, if I'm not mistaken. And it was in yellow, and I don't think we saw a recolor of it. So we finally see a recolor of the Volkswagen ID Buzz in the HW van series. Can't wait to see these driving down the street. Those are cool looking. Maybe camped out along Pacific Coast Highway. That would be cool. All right, another Surf Duty Beach Patrol, another Drag Tour, and another Kowloon Hypervan. So while there are a lot of holdovers from the K case, I noticed in the L case we do have 4 new models. So we have the Formula E Gen 3. So I think we saw the Formula E Gen 2 previously. This is a brand new model for 2024. So I think this should be our 4th new model out of the case. So HW Raceway, jet black. It's got a blue deco. It's got this kind of really cool like frame over the driver. So Formula E race car. All right, another Land Rover Series 2 HW Hot Trucks. Are we gonna? Oh nope, still the white driver. Okay, still the 67 Lotus Type 49 white driver. Like I said earlier, there will be a variation where it'll turn to gray at some point. Bernard Viteski said that it'll be the shorter run would be the white driver. So we have 2 of those in this case. Okay, we have the Bugatti Bolide. This was a K-Case car as well. But another one of those. That's a wicked deco on there. The 5-alarm returns. The 4-wheeled 5-alarm in light blue. So that is, I believe that's new to the case. This one looks new to the case as well. The Mazda RX-7 in all black. I actually just got the Family Dollar General exclusive in gray, and earlier in the year we had it in white. So Got some good colors of this one. So third color for that for the year. All right, next 3 cars out of the case. The Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6 964. Metal flake, kind of dark purple. New to the case is the 92 BMW M3 from HW into the 90s. Love that kind of pale yellow color on this one. I'm not sure a lot of cars can pull off that pale yellow, but this one does. Great casting, always. Tanknator, another return to that one. All right, got another track wagon. The 96 Porsche Carrera, another one of those. And the Ducati Desert X HW Dirt series. I believe this is new to the case. Got the muddy wheels on it there. That's a nice bike there for any bike collectors. All right, getting to the bottom here. Not seeming too likely there will be a super, but hey, we got some great cars regardless. Formula E Gen 3, jet black, another one of those new models. I think we had just about 2 of every new model in this case, so that's good. The Bugatti Bolide, probably saying that wrong. The 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, not Jesko, Jesko apparently. All right, the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Another Bumblebee from the HW Screen Time series. And another Tanknator for your minifig needs. Last 3 cars out of the case. We have the Pontiac Aztek Custom, dark red. I believe this one's new to the case. The Limited Grip in a dark olive green, kind of a matte olive green. It's like the 4th or 5th color we've seen of this one. Great kind of drift truck there. And hey, look at that. It's the return of the Chevy Silverado. This is actually the 07 Chevy Silverado. And you notice it's kind of a big truck, right? Like look at it compared to the Limited Grip. So you notice it's a big truck. For those that were collecting back in 2007, you remember that this truck actually debuted with a bike in the back. And it actually went to premium the first year of car culture in the truck series. So we have, it eventually lost the bike, unfortunately. It was kind of an added piece that wasn't machinable anymore. So and it's kind of gone away, really. I mean, we had it as a 2020 treasure hunt, and we haven't seen it for the last 4 years. So it's great to see this casting come back. So this is then and now. Obviously, this is the closer to the then side, even despite this truck being, what, 14 years old now? No. I'm doing bad math here. 17 years old. Wow. Okay. And this is actually a casting I collect. Man, I'm going to have to get all these together. So yeah, we haven't seen it since 2020 in the treasure hunt. As a regular treasure hunt, it was kind of, if you remember, it was neon green. And there was a dark, really rare dark green variant of this. So, but the dark blue Chevy Silverado, new to this case. So great to have this casting, another casting of this. So all in all, pretty good case. Like I said earlier in the video, thank you especially to Jcar Diecast for sending this over and supporting the OTD YouTube channel, and to supporting OrangeTrackDiecast.com. Look for this full case report on OrangeTrackDiecast.com, and including some of these new models. We'll get these in the photo booth and we'll photograph some of those. But for now, hope you enjoyed the 2024 L case, and thanks for watching.